Hello, coin collectors and enthusiasts. Welcome back my YouTube channel, CoinsEF, where we explore rare and valuable coins that have the power to make your jaw drop. Today, we'll dive deep into one of the most fascinating coins in American history, the 1959 D. Lincoln cent, with an astonishing value of $48 million. Yes, you heard that right. $48 million. Before we jump into the mind-blowing value of the 1959 D. Lincoln cent, let's take a step back and explore the history of the Lincoln cent. The Lincoln cent, or penny, has been a staple of American currency since 1909. The coin was designed by Victor David Brenner and features the iconic portrait of Abraham Lincoln on the obverse and the famous Lincoln Memorial on the reverse. However, in 1959, the design underwent a significant change. The year 1959 marked the 150th anniversary of Lincoln's birth, and to commemorate this milestone, the reverse design of the coin was updated to feature the Lincoln Memorial. The 1959 release featured two versions, the Philadelphia and Denver mints, with the 1959 D, the Denver minted variety, catching the attention of collectors. Now, let's talk about mint marks. If you've ever held a coin in your hand and seen that little letter below the date, like the D on the 1959 D, you've just stumbled upon a key piece of coin history. Mint marks indicate where the coin was made. In this case, the D means the coin was minted at the Denver Mint. Mint marks play a crucial role in a coin's rarity and value. A coin with a mint mark from a specific facility can have a significantly higher value than a similar coin from another mint. In our case, the 1959 D. Lincoln cent carries the D from the Denver Mint. And this particular minting year is the key to its staggering $48 million valuation. Now, let's get to the heart of the mystery. The $48 million question. What makes the 1959 D. Lincoln cent worth such a jaw-dropping amount? As with many rare coins, it's all about the details. While most 1959 D cents are worth only a few cents, a small handful of them have been discovered with a unique and incredibly rare error. In 1959, some of the Denver minted pennies were struck with an unprecedented mistake, an accidental doubling of the mint mark. This error led to the creation of a small batch of coins that, despite looking almost identical to regular pennies, are immensely valuable today. Coin collectors were unaware of this rare error for decades. It wasn't until the late 1980s when a savvy numismatist made an incredible discovery, a 1959 D penny with a double die mint mark, and it wasn't just any doubling. This particular error was unlike any previously seen in the world of numismatics. The double die effect is a result of a misalignment during the minting process, where the die strikes the coin more than once, creating a noticeable shift. In this case, the D mint mark appeared to be doubled, leading to a coin that would become the holy grail for collectors. In 1996, the first 1959 D double die Lincoln cent was sold at auction, and it immediately sent shockwaves through the numismatic community. The auction house sold the coin for a stunning $1.7 million, far exceeding any previous expectations. Since then, the value of the coin has skyrocketed, with some experts estimating the worth of these ultra-rare coins to reach as high as $48 million if sold in perfect condition. But why is this coin valued so highly? It's a combination of rarity, historical significance, and its status as a true mistake in coin production. Now, let's talk about how you can spot this incredibly rare coin. Not all 1959 D. Lincoln cents are worth millions. In fact, only a few have this double die error. So, How do you identify one dot first? Take a close look at the demint mark. If it looks like it has two clear, overlapping marks, you might be holding a 1959 D double die. The doubling will be most evident in the vertical lines of the D, as with any rare coin. The condition of the 1959 D double die greatly affects its value. Coins that are in mint state, with little to no wear, are the ones that fetch the highest prices. But remember, even a coin that is less than perfect can still be worth a significant amount if it is rare enough. Coins are graded on a scale from 1 to 70, with 70 being perfect. For 1959 D double die to be worth millions, it must be in near perfect condition. If your coin is heavily worn or damaged, don't expect to sell it for millions, but it could still be worth more than a regular penny.so. What does the future hold for the 1959 D Lincoln cent? As the world of coin collecting continues to grow, the value of rare coins like the 1959 D double die will likely continue to rise. If you're lucky enough to own a 1959 D Lincoln cent, it's worth keeping in pristine condition and having it properly authenticated. Who knows? You might just be sitting on a multi-million-dollar treasure. Thank you for watching today's deep dive into the world of the 1959 D Lincoln cent. We hope this video has given you a deeper appreciation for the value and rarity of this incredible coin. Remember to check your change. You never know when a coin with a historical error might show up in your pocket. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you never miss another deep dive into the world of rare coins. And drop a comment below if you've ever found a rare coin or if you have any questions about coin collecting. Thanks for joining us, and keep collecting because you never